Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for flashcards. Start by creating a new database and add question and answer properties, then tag each entry with a subject and difficulty. Use the toggle or full page view to hide answers during review. Set a formula for spaced repetition reminders and filter by due date. Practice daily with mixed subjects to boost long-term retention and track progress visually. Templates save time and keep cards consistent. Create a template with question format, answer field, tags, and optional hint. Add checkboxes for mastered and flag items needing review. Use linked databases to pull images or references into cards. Duplicate templates for subjects like languages or science and customize fields for close deletions when needed. Test a template by creating several cards and refining prompts for clarity, and monitor recall over time. Set up a daily review view filtered by due date and subject. Use toggles or gallery view to simulate flashcard flipping and hide answers until you're ready. Implement a simple spaced repetition by tagging cards as 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days, and filtering accordingly. Track your streak with a progress property and celebrate small wins. Adjust intervals as you learn which cards need more repetitions, and review.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.